Mastering nonverbal communication. Unleash the power of body language. Hello, language learners and future public speakers. Today we're delving into a fascinating part of communication often overlooked: nonverbal communication. While our words convey our thoughts, our body language can significantly enhance, diminish, or even contradict the message we want to get across. Nonverbal communication includes gestures, facial expressions, body movements, tone of voice, and even our posture. Studies suggest that a massive part of our communication is nonverbal, making it crucial in conveying our message accurately and effectively. Understanding and improving your nonverbal communication skills can lead to better public speaking experiences and presentation outcomes. Gestures are a powerful tool for illustrating the points you're making verbally. They can help your audience visualize your words and keep them engaged. Remember, the key is to make your gestures natural and meaningful. Overdoing can distract your audience. Practicing in front of a mirror or recording yourself can be incredibly helpful to gauge how your gestures come across. Our faces are incredibly expressive. A smile can show warmth and approachability, while a furrowed brow can indicate seriousness or concentration. Being mindful of your facial expressions during a presentation can help ensure that your emotions align with your words, providing a consistent message. Remember, authenticity is crucial. Forced or fake expressions can feel disingenuous. Your stance and movements can say a lot about your confidence and command over the subject matter. A strong, upright posture exudes confidence. Moving around a little can grab the audience's attention, but avoid pacing nervously, as it can be distracting. Just like with gestures and expressions, balance is key. Practice different postures and movements to find what feels comfortable and assertive for you. The way we say something can often be as important as what we're saying. Varying your tone, pitch, and volume can emphasize points and keep your presentation dynamic. A monotone voice can make even the most exciting topics seem dull. Practicing your speech aloud and playing with your tone can make your presentation more engaging and memorable. Remember, mastering nonverbal communication is a journey, not a destination. It takes practice and mindfulness, but with time, it can drastically improve your presentation skills. Keep in mind that the key is authenticity. Nonverbal communication is about enhancing your message, not creating a facade. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you on your path to becoming a more effective public speaker. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.